Hey everyone, welcome to Visceral Science. We all know that we live on a planet, the Earth, that's in orbit around a star, the Sun. But where do planets come from? Where do stars come from? And how do planets go into orbit? That's what this experience is all about. And toward the end, we'll also look at what happens when stars reach the end of their lives. Sometimes they undergo a massive supernova explosion that leaves behind a black hole. A few of you, the lucky ones, will actually see this happen, but everyone's going to have a grand time as we go out and explore the universe using virtual reality.
We're descending into the galaxy. Look around. You'll be equipped with a laser controller that will orient you in the vast surroundings of outer space. You can use it to teleport anywhere in the galaxy. You can also use it as a time machine to accelerate processes. Right now, we're watching a nebula form as it's collapsing under its own weight until gravity can no longer force the particles together. And a star is born. This dome is a mini-lab where players can come together to create planets that will orbit the newly born star. Here we find a cluster of dust and debris that we can accelerate into a protoplanet. Notice how many millions of years this takes. Now, let's teleport onto the protoplanetary disk so that we can get a closer look and grab hold of the protoplanet using the controller. The goal is to launch it into orbit. We will explore how varying the speed and direction affects the shape of the orbit, but we can't go against the flow of the disk. Ready, set, launch. The planet grows as it continues to collect dust and debris along its orbit. If you teleport further out, you'll be able to keep track of your planet through your name tag. The best part is that you can join forces with other players in VR to accelerate processes even faster. You see these different colored orbits? They belong to the avatars of your teammates. It doesn't matter where your teammates are in the real world. In this experience, you can work together to create stable orbits and assemble an amazing solar system. Once the solar system is assembled, players can cooperate to watch their host star die. It swells into a red supergiant, using up all of its nuclear fuel. The inner core contracts, becoming hotter and denser until it explodes into a supernova, sending a shockwave throughout the entire galaxy. Wherever you are in this experience, you'll know when there's a supernova. What's left is another nebula, and if the host star was massive enough, a black hole will take its place. You can even see how gravity bends light. The experience doesn't end there. All participants can 3D print models of their star systems. A 3D model is automatically generated and saved in a designated folder. All you have to do is sign in, and every model will include the name tags of all the participants who launched planets. You can also participate remotely using a smartphone or tablet. Just download an augmented reality app and scan the code. Whether you're in the classroom or in the comfort of your own home, you can always enter a mini lab and join the fun. Instead of teleporting, just walk around to navigate the star system. You can assist VR players by accelerating the formation of protoplanets. VR avatars know you're helping them because you appear as a flying drone. The mobile app allows teachers to monitor activity across mini-labs. In addition to the real-time map, teachers can also stream video from each student's headset. Moreover, teachers can launch tutorials for selected students who need further guidance. In fact, there's a third-person streaming mode that allows teachers to broadcast the live experience on a projector or big screen. That way, regardless of the number of devices, the entire class remains engaged. This is a unique opportunity to transcend classroom walls, to integrate storytelling with science, to promote individual exploration as well as collective collaboration. But most importantly, this is the chance to viscerally grasp our origins, to understand where we come from and how the universe unfolds.